Hey WordCraft family. Have you ever felt stuck, like you've hit a wall in your life? Or maybe even with learning English? You know that frustrating feeling when you just can't seem to make progress. What if I told you that those exact moments of struggle are your secret weapon? Just like in the movies, where the hero faces a huge challenge before they discover their true power. Your setbacks are actually superpowers in disguise. Today, we're going to turn those struggles into strengths and become unstoppable, using the magic of movies to supercharge our English. Welcome back to WordCraft English, the place where we transform your English learning journey. Today's theme is all about being unstoppable. It's about turning every I can into I will. We're going to dive into how to use movies not just for fun, but as a powerful tool to overcome the difficulties of learning a new language. Every time you forget a word, mix up grammar, or feel too shy to speak, you're not failing. You're collecting experience points, just like a character in a story. Those challenges are stepping stones, lifting you higher and higher. So, are you ready to unlock your inner hero? Let's get started. Let's look at our first powerful phrase, straight from the world of inspiring stories: to bounce back. When something bad happens, like you fail a test or have a tough day, to bounce back means to recover quickly and become strong again. Think of a rubber ball. When you drop it, it doesn't just stay on the floor, it bounces right back up. That's the energy we want. You might hear a character in a movie say, "It was a tough loss, but our team is ready to bounce back." For you, it could be, "My presentation didn't go well, but I'm going to bounce back and do better next time." It's all about resilience, which is our ability to recover from difficulties. Here is another great idiom you will hear all the time. Every cloud has a silver lining. This beautiful phrase means that in every bad situation, there is something good or hopeful to be found. Imagine a dark storm cloud. The silver lining is the bright edge you see when the sun is shining behind it. It's a reminder that even in dark times, there's a glimmer of light. For example, maybe you missed your bus. The silver lining is that you met an old friend while waiting for the next one. In your English journey, maybe you made a mistake speaking to someone. The silver lining, you learned a new rule you'll never forget. So next time you face a setback, look for that silver lining. Now, let's talk about the mindset of a hero. A hero doesn't give up. They persevere. To persevere means to keep going, to continue trying to do something even when it's very difficult. It's about persistence and determination. In a movie, you might see the hero training day and night, persevering through pain and exhaustion to achieve their goal. For an English learner, perseverance looks like practicing every single day, even for just 15 minutes. It's about not giving up when you don't understand a movie without subtitles. You could say, "Learning verb tenses is hard, but I will persevere until I master them." Remember, every single effort you make is a step forward. Let's dive into another powerful expression: to turn a new leaf. This means to start behaving in a better or more responsible way, to make a fresh start. Think of a tree in spring. It grows new leaves, fresh and green. That's what you do when you decide to change your habits for the better. Maybe you've been procrastinating on your English practice. Today, you can decide to turn a new leaf and create a consistent study schedule. You might hear someone say, after his struggles, he decided to turn a new leaf and focus on his future. It is a beautiful way to say you relieving the old you behind and embracing a new, improved version of yourself. Here's a fantastic two-word phrase you'll hear in motivational scenes. Step up. This means to take responsibility or to volunteer to handle a difficult situation. When the coach tells the team we need someone to step up and lead, they're asking for a hero. When you step up in your English learning, you take charge. You decide to be the one who asks questions in class. You volunteer to start a conversation in English, even if you're nervous. It's an active choice to face a challenge head-on. So, the next time you have an opportunity to practice, don't wait for someone to push you. Step up. You've got this. Let's talk about growth. A common phrase to describe a moment of sudden understanding is having a breakthrough. A breakthrough is a major discovery or achievement that helps you solve a problem or move forward. For scientists, a breakthrough might be a new discovery. For you, it could be that moment when a difficult grammar concept finally clicks in your head, or when you watch a movie scene and suddenly understand everything without looking at the subtitles. That's a breakthrough. You could say, after weeks of studying, I finally had a breakthrough and understood the present perfect tense. These moments are proof that your hard work is paying off. Celebrate every single one. All these phrases and idioms are more than just words. They are tools for transformation. When you learn to talk about your struggles in a positive way, you change your relationship with them. Instead of saying, I'm bad at English, you can say, I'm working on persevering through my English challenges. Instead of feeling defeated, you can look for the silver lining. This is how you build a growth mindset. Learning English isn't just about memorizing vocabulary. It's about developing the character of someone who is resilient, determined, and unstoppable. Your journey with English is a reflection of your journey in life. As you get better at one, you get stronger in the other. So, how can you put this into practice today? Here's your mission. First, pick an inspiring movie you love. Watch a short scene and identify the main challenge the character is facing. How do they persevere? Do they bounce back? Second, write down one setback you're facing in your English learning right now. Then, write one sentence using one of the phrases we learned today to describe how you will overcome it. For example, I am nervous about speaking, but I am going to step up and join a conversation group. Share your sentence in the comments below. I want to see how you're turning your setbacks into superpowers. Your journey to fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs. But remember that every stumble is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. You are the hero of your own story, and your English learning journey is one of the most exciting chapters. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the breakthroughs, and never ever give up. You are becoming more powerful with every word you learn. Thank you so much for joining me today at WordCraft English. I hope you feel inspired and empowered to continue your amazing journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't and miss our next lesson. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, you are unstoppable. See you in the next video.